Hi everyone, so today we're going to do a math activity called Subitizing. So we are going to need a piece of paper. I have here a blue piece of construction paper. If you do not have paper, you can use a piece of fabric or cloth or white paper. Anything that works for you, it would be fine. And we have here some black beans. I have here 5 beans. We want to keep the numbers low because we're introducing these math concepts to our children. Now, you can definitely differentiate. If your child is more advanced or more numbers higher than 5, you can go up to 10. We want to keep it under 5 or under 10. Because these are math concepts that they're going to explore when they go to pre-K and kindergarten as well. So returning to the lesson, we want to introduce this lesson to our children as a peekaboo game. So you're going to ask them, you're going to tell them, oh, we're going to play a game called peekaboo, and you get to guess how many beans I have under the cloth or the piece of paper. So let's get started. So what we'll do is we'll use for as an example, we'll use 1 bean, we'll cover it, we'll show it to them for 10 seconds, then cover it back up, and you can ask them, how many beans do I have under my cloth? And they get to guess. They can say 1, or they can, if they say, I don't know, you can just open the cloth back up and allow them to use their fingers to count the amount. 1, just like that. Then what we want to do is move on to the next number. I tend not to go in order. For example, I wouldn't do 1 and then 2. What I'll do is I'll use another random number. So I would say 3, right? And I will cover it. And I will ask them, can you guess how many beans I have now under my cloth? 3. Your child will say 3. And they will go ahead and they can count 1, 2, 3. And then you move on to the next number. Just make sure when you guys do this lesson to make sure you line the beans in a way that's perfectly clear for them and visible. So for example, if we're going to use 3, we're going to line them up this way. If we clutter them like this, it's very hard for them to identify the numbers. And remember, we're introducing these math concepts so that they can just become stronger and build on it as they move up to the upper grades. If your child is still struggling with numbers 1, 2, and 3, that's okay. You can go even lower and then work yourself back up high to higher numbers. So again, let's try it one more time together. So we will put the numbers out for them in a way that's clear for them. We can do it this way, or in a straight line, or we can do it this way to represent the number 5 in a way that's clear and visible. So we will tell our children, we will line up our beans, give them a quick look and say, hey, are you ready? Let's give you a quick look. They take a quick look, we cover it, and we count to 10 seconds. Open it back up and ask them, how many did you see? And they can say 5. If they say, I don't know, again, they can use their fingers to count. So let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 beans all together. Well, that's it for this lesson. I hope you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. Bye-bye. Until next time.